Ah, good old bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Did you know it actually has a lot of benefits for your plants as well? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they are. The first benefit of using hydrogen peroxide on your plant is that it restores oxygen in the soil, and roots need oxygen in order to suck up nutrients. This is because of a process called respiration. The plant roots use oxygen to break down sugars and generate energy needed for essential functions like absorbing nutrients and water from the soil. So the second benefit of using hydrogen peroxide in your soil is that it actually kills fungus and bacteria. So if you ever heard of root rot, there's actually a fungus that causes root rot. If you use hydrogen peroxide in your soil, it can actually stop the process and save your plant. If you ever notice a little white mold growing on the top of your soil, hydrogen peroxide can also help with that, but I do recommend scooping off that top layer of the mold and then giving it hydrogen peroxide. The third benefit of using hydrogen peroxide on your plant is that it kills the fungus gnat larvae and any other pests that might be living in your soil. Now this is super important because fungus gnats reproduce very quickly, and the reason why they're hard to stop is because there's adult gnats that are flying around. And then you have the larvae. Now these little bugs actually feed on the nutrients in your soil and they can actually eat your plant roots. So it's important to get rid of these bugs whenever you see them. If you start to see a lot of gnats in your house, consider watering your plants with this solution about once a week for about a month and you should see it go away. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this mix and water your plants with it.
I don't normally measure it, but with the peroxide, I'll do about 20 to 25%. I'll just fill the rest of the way with water. Make sure you thoroughly wet the whole entire top layer of soil so that the water can penetrate a couple inches deep. It'll get all the eggs that way. And put your plant on a tray or something because you're going to put a lot of water in there, so it needs to leak out. Here's a quick bonus tip too. If you have a fungus gnat infestation, you should bottom water your plants, so just put them on a tray like this. You can just pour water directly into the tray like this to bottom water your plant. And what it does is it allows the roots to suck up the water from the bottom, and it also dries out your topsoil, so the fungus gnats won't have places to lay their eggs.
Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please subscribe and stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to show you even more benefits of bottom watering your plants. See you in the next one.